Welcome to my channel Home Gupshup. Thanks very much for joining me today. Hope you're all doing great. I have come for holidays to spend some quality time with my mum and dad. I will be bringing in some videos from India with the wish to make this content more relatable for you all. Organizing isn't something that needs a lot of thinking and pondering. There are a few simple tricks, and if you get them right, everything can get much easier to work with. For one, using the vertical space by placing a shelf divider or something similar can be a game changer. I will be showing this trick using both a store-bought proper organizer as well as using some boxes.
Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about
I decided on using the bottom shelf for all our cups and mugs. As you can tell, our family is a big time chai lover. Since the upper shelf is hard to reach, it will hold all of our backup stock.
I remember that it's over. Yeah, you never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah. You never lose.
Another trick to utilizing the vertical space can be by using jars or containers which are tall, as per the height of the cabinet shelf, of course. Accessibility is another factor that contributes to the right kind of organizing.
Yeah, I always knew that this would happen. Yeah, you would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit.
They say if you can organize your kitchen, you can organize your life. At least for an Indian household, this totally holds true. Food is such a major part of our lives. We really live to eat and not the other way around. I always felt the need to work on a kitchen space and make it as functional as possible. Having modern kitchen cabinets is a blessing, and more so if the space inside is utilized to its fullest potential.
There was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
One can keep it simple by organizing the jars in a functional way, or one can go a step beyond and label them as well. If you want a cheaper alternative to labeling which does not involve the use of an expensive machine, then do let me know in the comment section below. I have a simple trick that can work amazingly well for such instances. Harder to reach shelves can of course be used to keep lesser used items, but no harm in storing them in a more visible fashion rather than just dumping them there.
Time is moving fast. I am moving slow.
These tall Tupperware jars are not new to my mum's house. She's been using them in different ways for so many years now. We've been wanting to replace them with something else but couldn't find anything so well built as yet. They seem to be doing the job perfectly at the moment. For now, I will be showing these two top shelves or cabinet spaces only as they are the most reached out for. If there's anything else that interests you, then do let me know. I'll surely try and make a video on the same.
There should ever be a storm or a pouring rain, we'll look out through the window pane where the sun will shine again. Time is moving still, and you are here with me. A house of